What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's going on, y'all? Listen, so today, it's going to be a range day today. I'm going to the range today. I'm going to go to the range today. I'm going to shoot a couple firearms. I don't know which ones I'm going to shoot, but I'm going to show y'all when I get there. But today, a range day. So I'm about to pack up. I'm going to show y'all when I get there what I got. And we're going to let it rip. You feel me? I'll hit y'all when I get there. I'm in the car right now as we speak, y'all. I got the duffel bag right here. Got the duffel bag. I'll reveal everything that's in the bag once I get to the, to the range. I'm driving to the range right now as we speak, and I got to use GPS. So I'll hit y'all when I get there. I'm out. I am at the range now officially. I'm about to go in here right now. Let me bring my duffel bag in here and see what's going on. I got the duffel bag right here, as I showed y'all before. I'm about to go in here. I'm gonna show y'all everything in the bag, what's in the bag when I go in here. But for right now, I'm gonna get out, I'm gonna go in here and do everything I need to do. I don't know if I can record them while they search my bag, but here I know they search my bag and make sure everything good. So I'm about to go in here. Let's get this video started, man. Yeah. I am here right now at the range. As I stated before, y'all see. I brought out today. Yeah. What I brought out. Let's get it started. I'll get y'all in there. Alright, y'all, this is us right here. That's our setup. I kind of got them too small, so don't mind me. I got them way too small, so don't mind. I'm sorry. Now I know. But let's go. So this right here is when the camera was flipped over. The whole time I didn't even know, so I was talking to myself. Tight, for real. And this is when I finally realized, oh, bro, the whole time I've been talking to the opposite side of the camera. This is crazy. But first, I'm gonna shoot the 10 mil. 10 mil, Glock 29. It's the first gun I'm gonna shoot. I got the sight, I got the laser and everything. This is the first one I'm gonna shoot. So, let's get into it. We gonna run a 10 mil one more time. Look at that shit. How about that? Alright, y'all, but this is gonna be the end of this video. Thank y'all for, showing love when it's getting posted. Like and subscribe and everything y'all gonna do. Viewing. Just thank you. Thank you for everything y'all do. I fuck with y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna cop some more shit soon, but right now, yeah. This shit fell off to 29. I think I'm gonna put it on a 19. But this can't go on here. It's not strong enough. I need one of those. Yeah, it's not strong enough. Yeah.